Hello and welcome everyone, and we're going to show you here about help you how you actually start to see the distance between elements. So first of all, you will need actually to know through this video. So what you're gonna do is about for this video actually to see the distance. So I will actually start to put a certain duplicated things over here. I just duplicated it so I make sure that I see the distance. Okay, now what you're gonna do is about start to type distance, maybe identify the shared instant text. Okay, so really I don't think so if it's really to make sure that you see the distance. So the distance between that for the plugin, all distance or measuring distance. So I think that is a plugin with around the radius multiplier of 5 every distance. So I will measure this distance over here. This is going about here, and then start to click on from center now. Okay, now please select two nodes to measure distance. So you will need actually to click here on the two nodes. So I think that there is no actual nodes on my opinion, and really not going to be bad, but just gonna try to add another distance again. See, all distances are run. Now as you can see, you can actually see this plugin, and you can see actually that everything in this part is really to be going on through the distance again. Identify for distance. You can actually scroll down here and measure. Okay, actually measurement lines over here, you can see how the certain thing is measured, and you can see how the distance is really between that. But there is actually another options. I don't know if that's really going to work or not. So that's all about help you.